Hi everyone, welcome to Life is More Than Food. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share this video. And if you need to, scan that QR code so that we can make sure we stay connected. So today we're going to make this super cool lighted glass can. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with one of our glass cans that we've already put this beautiful UV-DTF wrap on. And we're going to go ahead and add some of these really super cool pastel balls to the bottom of the cup. It's going to give this a really aesthetic look. You can already see it looks so cool. Now the next step is to add those fairy lights. So we're just going to pop some fairy lights that we bought right in there. We've already glued the battery pack to the top of the bamboo lid, and that's where the switch is going to be. So once you put that on, this is about what it looks like without the lights. It's already super cute just as is, but when you turn that light on, that's what it looks like, and it looks so cool. So if you want to purchase a glass can from us, we have a couple of different places to buy. We're on Maker Place, which is presented by Michaels, a Ko-fi page, and or you can shop directly through our Instagram and Facebook by just sending us a message or going ahead and shopping through our actual Facebook and Instagram shop. Just search at Life is More Than Food to find us. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope to see you next time.